Hey guys, it's Alongo. The world's changing fast and staying ahead means constantly learning and adapting. Today we're diving into the top 5 in-demand skills for 2025 that can level up your career and personal growth. These skills are valuable across industries, regardless of your background or future goals. It's about future-proofing yourself, and it's never too early or too late to start. Ready to invest in yourself? Grab a notebook, get comfy, and let's unlock some serious potential together. Hit that like button and let's get right into it. First up, artificial intelligence or AI. AI is everywhere now. From Netflix recommendations to voice commands on your phone. It's transforming industries like healthcare, finance, and real estate. The demand for AI knowledge is exploding, and you don't need to be a coding genius to get started. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer affordable courses to build a solid foundation in AI and machine learning. Trust me, this skill will pay off in a big way. Next up, data analysis and interpretation. Making sense of data and finding the story within the numbers is like having a superpower. Whether in marketing, finance, or healthcare, being able to analyze data and communicate insights is invaluable. Tools like Excel, Python, or Power BI can help you get started. Take a course, watch tutorials, and practice. This is a skill you'll use for years to come. Moving on to digital marketing, the future is online, and businesses need people who can navigate the digital landscape. Skills like SEO, social media strategy, and email marketing are in high demand. Google offers a free digital marketing certification to get you started. Learn the basics, experiment, build your own website, and run some ads. The online world is your oyster. Now let's talk about emotional intelligence, or EQ. In a tech-dominated world, our ability to connect with others and manage emotions sets us apart. Employers want people who can work in teams, communicate clearly, and handle stress. EQ can be developed over time through active listening, empathy, and self-awareness. Practice seeing things from another person's perspective. Understand your strengths and weaknesses, and how your emotions impact your behavior. Investing in your EQ is one of the best things you can do for yourself. It's crucial both personally and professionally. Lastly, financial literacy. Understanding how money works is crucial, no matter your income. Basics like budgeting, saving, investing, and understanding debt are life skills. Start with personal finance books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad or The Total Money Makeover. Use budgeting apps like Mint or Personal Capital to track your spending. There are tons of great resources online to learn more about investing. Knowledge is power, especially with finances. So there you have it, my top 5 skills to master for 2025 and beyond. The world is changing fast, but by investing in yourself and constantly learning, you can stay ahead and achieve incredible things. Which skill are you most excited to learn? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe for more videos on personal finance, career tips, and everything in between. Thanks for watching. Keep hustling, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.